Imagine standing in a mountain valley when suddenly the sky empties a year's worth of rain in just minutes. Rivers rise like monsters, rocks tumble, villages vanish. This isn't a storm, it's a cloudburst. And in the past few weeks alone, they've claimed hundreds of lives across India and Pakistan. But what exactly is a cloudburst? What causes it? And can we stop this from becoming the new normal? A cloudburst isn't a cloud literally bursting open. It's a sudden, extreme rainfall event, usually 100 millimeters or more in under an hour, over just a few kilometers. Think of the sky squeezing out an entire month of rain in minutes. The steep valleys of mountains funnel this water downwards, creating walls of water that hit with little warning. In August 2025, the world watched multiple tragedies unfold. In Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, a sudden cloudburst during a pilgrimage left at least 65 people dead and 200 missing. Just days earlier, in Uttarakhand, floods swept through villages at first blamed on a cloudburst, but later found to be triggered by a collapsing glacier lake. Across the border, in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, deadly monsoon cloudbursts and flash floods killed more than 320 people. Entire villages were wiped out in seconds. The recipe for a cloudburst is surprisingly simple and terrifying. Warm, moisture-laden air rises rapidly, often forced up mountain slopes. It cools quickly, condenses and forms giant thunderclouds. Trapped by mountains, the cloud system can't move, so it dumps its water in one violent burst. And climate change is supercharging this recipe. Warmer air can hold more water vapor, about 7% more for every degree of warming. That means when it rains, it pours harder than ever before. Let's bust a few myths. Clouds don't literally explode. Scientists can't predict a cloudburst days in advance. Radars sometimes give minutes of warning, that's all. And no, these aren't punishments from the gods of the mountains. They're physics, amplified by geography and a heating planet. For villagers in the Himalayas and Hindu Kush, a cloudburst means chaos. Homes swept away, roads cut off, crops destroyed. Survivors often describe it as the end of the world. And it's not just remote mountains. Similar events strike places like Colorado in the US, showing it's a global danger. We can't stop the rain, but we can stop it from becoming a disaster. Doppler radars and satellites give short-term alerts. Avoiding construction in natural flood channels saves lives. Glacial lakes can be monitored and drained before they collapse, and at the biggest scale, slowing climate change means fewer of these supercharged rain bombs. A cloudburst is the sky reminding us who's really in charge. But knowledge is power. By understanding the science, busting the myths and preparing smartly, we can live with the fury of the mountains without letting it destroy us.